Ian, we're at your stand at Advanced Engineering 2016. Now, Creaform have some great products, but you've got the MetraScan. Tell us about it.
Okay, well, the MetraScan mark is the latest incarnation of scanners from Creaform. It's a completely handheld and portable measuring device, which allows us to scan objects we've never been able to scan before. I mean, a good example, we're scanning this alloy wheel, very, very shiny. One of the things that nobody ever wants to scan. But with this scanner, it's not a problem whatsoever. We can scan large volumes, 16 meters cubed, so it's measuring large parts such as half a car, even a full car if we wanted to. And we can get an accuracy down to 55 microns. So it's high resolution, high accuracy scanning.
And other products on the marketplace, can they do shiny objects or scan shiny objects?
Well, some say they can, but when you put them to the test, then that's when you find out what they can and can't do. Most times with shiny objects like this, we have to spray powder on them, cover them in something to take the shine away. This scanner, because of the way the laser technology is working now, enables to get around that problem, and we can scan the surface without any treatment whatsoever.
And when you're taking the data, is it a quicker system that Creaform have?
Yeah, much quicker, because what you find with scanning is they create massive point clouds. So you end up with millions of points, and then you have to do something with that. What Creaform have done with their software, VX Elements, is really clever. They've enabled the software to automatically generate an STL, or a triangulated surface. So we cut out the middleman, if you like. So we go straight to a surface. Now that means the processing time can be reduced from days to minutes.
And I suppose the different products that you can scan with this is fairly wide.
Well, really, because of the measuring volume, there really is no limit. I mean, I could scan anything from a mobile phone up to a train cab. I mean, we've scanned underground trains, we've scanned inside aircraft, we scanned all sorts of things. So really, there is no limit, to be honest.
So could you give us a demonstration of the product, Ian?
Sure, no problem at all, yeah, let's have a look. So what we have here this is the MetraScan. Okay, you'll see on the scanner itself, it has some targets, and they're being tracked by two cameras. Now, normally we set the cameras up at a lower height, but obviously we're limited for space on the stand. And the idea here is that the cameras will track the scanner in space. So if I move around to the part, so all I need to do now is I just pull the trigger, and you'll see now on the surface, you see the laser lines. And what that's doing is that's picking up the surface of the part. So I'm going to scan around the tire. You can see here, and as I'm doing that on the screen in the background, we're seeing the part appear automatically. It's completely live. And that's scanning at a very high resolution, down to 50 micron resolution. So it's a very high resolution scanner. All I need to do now is stop the scanning. I go back to the PC, and now I can let the process calculate the surface, and within 30 seconds we have a surface.
And is this one of your better sellers of products that you have in the portfolio?
MetraScan is completely new. It only came out earlier this year, but the HandyScan, which this is based on, the actual scanner is based on that, is probably our best-selling product ever. And we expect big things for this scanner.
Well, I can see a lot of benefit in reference to static products or static measuring, but this product, is a great product, but also the software is what it's all about.
Sure, I mean, as a static product, it's fantastic, but obviously because we can move the thing around in space, we're not fixed. It's portable, so you can move it. I could go anywhere in this building now and scan anything I wanted to. Software-wise, obviously that's advancing with 64-bit technology and bigger processing, so really it's made scanning very, very simple.
Well, a unique product. Thanks very much, Ian.
Thank you, Mark. Pleasure.